The first name, Allah. The second, Al-Ahad. The third, Al-A'la. The fourth, Al-Akram. The fifth, Al-Ilah. The sixth, Al-Awwal. The seventh, Al-Akhir. The eighth, Al-Zahir. The ninth, Al-Batin. The 10th, Al-Bari. The 11th, Al-Bar. The 12th, Al-Basir. The 13th, At-Tawwab. The 14th, Al-Jabbar. The 15th, Al-Hafiz. The 16th, Al-Hasib. The 17th, Al-Hafiz. The 18th, Al-Hafi. The 19th, Al-Haq. The 20th, Al-Mubin. The 21st, Al-Hakim. Al-Hakim. The 22nd, Al-Halim. The 23rd, Al-Hamid. The 24th, Al-Hayy. The 25th, Al-Qayyum. The 26th, Al-Khabir. The 27th, Al-Khaliq. The 28th, Al-Khallaq. The 29th, Al-Ra'uf. The 30th, Al-Rahman. The 31st, Al-Rahim. The 32nd, Al-Razzaq. The 33rd, Al-Raqib. The 34th, As-Salam. The 35th, As-Sami'. The 36th, Al-Shakir. The 37th, Al-Shakur. The 38th, Al-Shaheed. The 39th, Al-Samad. The 40th, Al-Alim. The 41st, Al-Aziz. The 42nd, Al-Azim. The 43rd, Al-Afu. The 44th, Al-Alim. The 45th, Al-Ali. The 46th, Al-Ghaffar. The 47th, Al-Ghafoor. The 48th, Al-Ghani. The 49th, Al-Fattah. The 50th, Al-Qadir.